In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email thread with attachments using Gmail. Starting this process is straightforward, but understanding each element will ensure you capture the full context of the communication along with any critical attachments involved. So let's dive into it and take you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're on a device that's familiar and secure to prevent any unwanted access to your emails. Once logged in, navigate to your inbox, which you'll locate on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all incoming emails that you've received. Your next move is to locate the specific email thread you wish to forward. If you're not sure where it is, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen. Typing keywords such as the sender's name or subject line can help you quickly retrieve the email thread. Afterward, once you have the desired email thread open, it's important to review the thread to ensure you are about to forward the correct messages. Pay close attention to the sequence of the conversation and the attachments included. Sometimes it helps to double-check everything to ensure that you aren't missing out on any crucial part of the conversation. Now, look for the small arrow, often found at the top right corner of the email. This arrow acts as a gateway to more options, including forwarding the entire conversation. Click on this arrow and select the forward option from the drop-down list that appears. When you select forward, a new email window will pop up containing the entire email thread. Ingredients of communication, like recipient information, will have been cleared to allow you to fill in the new recipient's details. In the To field, type in the email address of the person or people you want to forward the email thread to. You might find it helpful to add a note in the body of the email above the forwarded message to give the recipient some context about what they are receiving. Feel free to point out specific areas or attachments within the thread that you think are of utmost importance. Now, at the bottom of the Email Composer window, there should be an option to attach additional files if you need to. This feature ensures that any further necessary documents can be shared alongside your email. Before sending, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the recipient's email address, the attachments, and any notes you've added. If everything looks good, click the Send button, and your email, along with its attached conversation and files, should be on its way. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded an email thread with attachments using Gmail. Remember, handling emails carefully ensures your communication remains effective and error-free. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue to explore useful digital skills.